Hello everyone, I'll be reviewing the Bluetooth headset which I recently got from Amazon. These are a little expensive one. These were around 60 bucks. So let me open them up. So it comes in a nice hard shell carrying case which makes them really easy to carry. Okay, and let me see what else is there in the box. You have extra ear cushions and shark fins, ear fins, shark fins, whatever you want to call it, and a user manual. So this is how actually it looks like from the side. So the fin fits inside your earlobe so that it doesn't fall off. And so let me see if it's charged. It's charged. It's showing me some blue light. Yeah, I think it might need some charging. Yep. And the other thing included is the USB charging cable. And okay, so the charging, it's a little different on this device. So it doesn't go inside this earbuds, but this is the main device, and this is the USB charging cable, and it just fits like this, and you can just use any wall charger to charge this. Okay then, so that was about the headsets. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.